So, our research found that 70% of people who experienced an affair stayed together after the affair. But Valu wants to know how many cheat again. Great question. Okay, so to answer this question, we have to look at the data from our cheating partner survey. And we asked 1,406 cheating partners, both men and women, how many affairs they had. And here were the results. So men reported having one affair 55.44% of the time. They reported having two affairs 16.67% of the time. So this means that 72.11% of men report having 1 to 2 affairs. Now, when we looked at women, 63.45% of them said they had only one affair. 18.70% said they had two. So this means 82.15% of women had 1 to 2 affairs. So if we average these out and we adjust for the fact that we had more women than men in our survey, 77.9% of people have 2 affairs or less. So this means that 22.1% have 3 plus affairs. So if we're just looking at how many people cheat one time, then that number tends to be 55.4% for men, 63.45% for women. I think the answer is interesting though, because if we want to know cheat again after your most recent affair, that we didn't ask. But I think we can kind of infer the answer based on how many affairs people are having. This is why I think it's a good idea to say people deserve a chance to heal after an affair, and that it's much harder to heal after a second affair, and it's perhaps 100 times harder to heal after a third. It can be done, but it is hard, and it's certainly complicated. It gets more complicated the more affairs somebody has. Hope this answers your question.